Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your device and OS so you pick the right path. Open Settings now and find Display or Appearance. If you run low power mode, turn it off because some phones override theme changes. Plug in if battery is under 20%. Once in Display, scan for dark mode, theme, or night mode options. These are the controls you'll change. You need these prerequisites done so the next steps apply directly to your phone without digging through menus later. Now enable dark mode by toggling the switch in Display or Appearance. You should see immediate color inversion. This reduces glare and saves battery on OLED screens. Once done, check if apps follow system settings or require per-app overrides. Make those changes inside App Settings. Then set a schedule. Choose sunset to sunrise for automatic shifts or input custom times if you prefer. Finally, tweak contrast and wallpaper dimming so text remains legible and visuals. Finish by walking through your primary apps to confirm dark mode applied. If one or two remain in light mode, restart your device. This often forces the UI to refresh. Make sure your OS and apps are updated because older versions may ignore system themes. If needed, clear an app's cache or reinstall the app. If issues persist, enable per-app dark mode in that app settings. This makes sure you get consistent dark visuals even when system-level controls do not propagate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.